Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look that most people call sugar nails. So obviously it's not real sugar. The powder though gives off the texture of sugar, so it's not smooth like you would usually have your nails. It's kind of grainy, but it gives off this really cool look. The set that I purchased came with 6, but I'll only be using one, which is this white, and it has what looks like green sparkles in it, but it kind of changes in the light, which is super cool. So you can watch my previous videos for how I already built up my nail, meaning I already did 3 coats of a clear dip, and so what you're seeing now is the top layer being added. You'll take whatever liquid that you use to do your dips with. Mine is a regular base coat. I know some people use gel. Again, this is just a regular base coat that I'm using. Apply a thin layer to the nail, and then you'll want to pour over. These jars, guys, are like super tiny, to where you can't fit your nail in it to actually dip it inside the jar, which my preference is the pour over method anyways. So as you can see, I poured it over my nail. Make sure that you have the whole nail covered. Personally, I only did 1 layer to every single nail and it came out just fine. I also gently pat down the layer just to make sure that everything is situated and where it needs to be, and then I apply this step to every single nail. I know I did mention previously that I had already built up my nail and this was the top coat. So with building up my nail already, I did buff it out too. So that's why my nails look super smooth already. Because that's a very important step before you apply, whether you're applying it to your regular nails or whether you're adding a tip like I did and then built it up from there. You do want to make sure that your nail is smooth and ready to go prior to applying this top coat, because again, this is it. Like, this top coat is like the finish of all finishes. Like, you don't buff after this, you don't add a clear coat after this. Like, this is the very last layer that you're adding to your nail for the finished product. So you might notice that my right hand, the one that I'm holding the brush with, does not look like the one that I'm applying everything to right now. That's because you live and you learn, okay? So I did my right hand first and I applied a clear coat to it. I tried to buff it out. It did not turn out good. So after I completed my left hand, I did go back and I redid my whole right hand because it just didn't look right. So again, with these sugar nails, they're not meant to have a clear top coat. They're not meant to be buffed out. The way you apply it is what you get. So this is what it looks like. Again, you can see the color difference between my right hand that's being shown right now and the left. So the next step is to heavily brush off the extra powder that's on your nail and then apply the activator. So the activator does bond everything together. I did probably 3 layers, not gonna lie, just to make sure that everything's together, because after this coat, nothing else goes on your nail. And that is it, guys. So in the close-up in the corner, you can kind of see the texture. I didn't put lotion on or anything, so don't judge me. But that is all that I have for you guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.